Karıyı in winter. This video introduces DIY to be able to live in winter in Urville for the summer. I cannot guarantee safety, function, performation, and you trace the contents, but I would like the self-responsibility. Snowy Carol is always quiet and beautiful. You customize a little to a window to stay at home in winter. It's called double window to keep your room warm in the winter. As inner window, install fixed window which is always closed. The double window added inner window inside of an existing window. The existing window is frosted glass for the lighting. Let's make inner window of the film material in DIY. Set up squared lumber, transparency film, both sides adhesive tape, sponge tape, which you put together to a window size. The thickness of the sponge is N. Fixed window is fixed by compression of the sponge. Fixed window in the existing sash. The size of the squared lumber is smaller than window size. Fixed window is fixed by the compression of the sponge. The attachment and detachment of fixed window is possible in the women. The thermal conductivity makes a little difference with glass and film, but the wood is much smaller with 1/1000th than aluminum sash, so the heat insulation effect is outstanding. When you search web into words, inner window DIY, several makers are found. Order on the web, dimensions of the space to install inner window W, H, D, and a kind of the glass. The maker send you vertical and horizontal pied rail to slide window. You fix for pied rails, which is the frame of the inner window with a screw just before an existing window. And finally, you set the glass window which you ordered on a rail. The biggest inner window was for the south side of the living room. The scenery to look through a bayed window is particular. I have ordered 3 millimeters of thin glass of the thickness. However, it was too heavy. You should install a door of the glass in a rail with a helper. Add a thinner window is to pieces, so it is bayed, but the opening and shutting is smooth. It is snowy scenery. The additional window of the bedroom. Because there is a road near, the existing window of this bedroom is frosted glass. I have ordered 3 millimeters of thin glass for inner window. This window is a dimension D was small, but was able to attach it. Window of the guest room. Dimensions D did not have a margin, but was able to attach it. Material cost of the fixed window, about 3,000 yen. Order cost of the inner window. The inner window for living rooms is in maximum size. The cost was 43,000 yen. As other inner windows were small, the cost was 20,000 yen. The carriage to send one set of big inner window and two sets of small inner windows to the home was 4,000 yen. It's comfortable to ask for the setting construction. The setting cost of the inner window for living room was 33,000 yen. Having been good in inner window DIY, became able to use the villa in winter. A sound priming effect improved. The dew condensation to a glass window decreased. An insect did not enter the room. There was not a construction cost. Thank you for watching.